Hi, my name is Matt Bluen, Account Executive at OnControls, and I'm going to spend the next few minutes covering the software and the hardware of the OnControls system. The simplistic nature of OnControls system will make it easy to decide what will be needed for every project. We have two different license options depending on the size of the project that you're installing. You will need to purchase a license for every project. For a residential install, you need to purchase a license for each address. And for commercial installations, you need to purchase a license per room. Our application is updated quarterly and is no charge to you or your customer. Our hardware is called OnLink, and we have IR, RS-232, and contact closure options that are available in wireless and wired. The hardware is simple and small, which gives it the ability to be installed in almost any location. With OnControls, you have two types of licenses, a room license and a system license. You also have the ability to add a single handset or device to the project if you're nearing the limits of what comes standard with each. Our room license was developed for a one-room system in particular. For example, a theater room or a conference room are good examples when to use this license, where devices and handsets are at a minimum. This license comes standard with one handset and controls up to 10 devices. Our system license is for larger projects, large sports bars and homes, and projects that require more than a single handset for control. This license comes standard with 5 handsets and controls up to 50 devices. Each one of these licenses comes with unlimited modules, and this includes modules that are under development and released at a later point. All of the OnLink hardware comes with a power supply and install instructions. The hardware allows for multiple app connections at the same time from handsets across the project. The OnLink wired IR3 gives you the ability to control IR equipment over the network. This unit comes with an IR blaster and also comes with 3 IR emitters if you prefer to independently control each piece of equipment. You can also attach a dual head emitter to each port, allowing you to control up to 6 units with one OnLink IR3. You'll notice here that you have 8 simultaneous connections, which allows you to control from 8 different handsets at the same time. The OnLink RS-232 box allows control of serial equipment over the network. Notice the biggest difference here is that it only allows 4 app connections instead of 8 like the OnLink IR3. This is due to the RS-232 box being two-way capable. Also keep in mind that this does not come with an RS-232 cable. You'll need to purchase that separately for your install. We also have an OnLink contact closure. This gives you the ability to control equipment that has 12-volt sensors or connectivity. We've seen these used for lifts, gates, garage doors, and even fountains. We do get feedback from the contact closure onto whether it's open or closed, and we can display that in the app. We really develop our hardware in hopes to make it less confusing and extremely simple to set up. With these 6 options, you really should be able to install any project of any size, and given that they're simple in nature and their scalability, it's easy to add as they add equipment for that project as well. Thank you for the time. This is Matt Bluen, and this has been an overview of the hardware and the software for the OnControls system.